Hi guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a relief sculpture using cardboard, scissors, and glue. So go grab those 3 things for me and come right back and I'll show you what we're going to make. First, let's talk about what a relief sculpture is. So most of us probably already know that a sculpture is a 3D piece of art. 3D, or three-dimensional, means that something has a length, width, and height. So that means it's not a flat piece of art. Some sculptures are made so that you can see them from all sides. Think of a sculpture that you see in a museum that you can walk all the way around. A relief sculpture, on the other hand, is a sculpture that is built off of a flat surface. So there are 3-dimensional elements that pop off of the background, but you could not walk all the way around it and see the sculpture from all sides. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a relief sculpture house out of cardboard, scissors, and glue. So if you haven't gotten those supplies yet, now's a good time to go grab them. Pause the video and make sure you have all 3 of those things. So you can be really creative with this project. I'm going to show you how I make my relief sculpture house, but you can do yours in a totally different way by adding details to make yours look unique. So the first thing I've done here is I've taken some cardboard and I've cut out the main pieces of my house. I've started by using a rectangle to make the base of my house, and I've also cut a triangle to make my roof. Next, I'm going to cut out details to make my house a little more interesting. So I've cut out flower pots, and the half circles are going to be where I'm going to add the flowers later on. One really cool thing you can do with cardboard is add texture by peeling off one of the layers of the outside of the cardboard to see the corrugation. And the corrugation is the wavy lines on the inside of the cardboard. I can use corrugation to add fun texture details to my house. Once I'm done cutting out details for my house, I'm going to lay them out on top of my cardboard base to make sure that they all fit. Once I've decided that they fit and I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to start gluing. I like to just use a few dots of glue, that way my project isn't going to get too messy. Make sure that everything is glued securely before you move on to the next step. Awesome! So you've just created a relief sculpture house using cardboard. The next steps are going to be to add color. So if you don't want to add color and you like how it looks just plain cardboard, you can stop here and take a photo of your project and submit it on Canvas. If you'd like to continue, here are some cool ways to add color to your project. Before I start adding other colors to my house, what I'm going to do is make a base coat of black paint over the entire thing. I'm using tempera paint here. You could also use acrylic. Watercolor probably wouldn't work great for this project. The reason that I'm painting my house black is because I'm planning to use oil pastels later to add color to all the details of my house. Having a base coat of black is really going to make my oil pastel colors stand out later when I add them. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video at this point. I'm going to let you see how mine turns out when it's done. But I want you to know that if you do not want to paint yours the same way, or if you don't have the same supplies as me, there are plenty of other ways to add color to your house. you could color it with crayon, you could color it with marker, or if you have other colors of paint that you want to use, you can just go ahead and paint the colors right onto the cardboard and paint your house that way. All right, I'm going to finish painting mine and adding color with oil pastels. I'm going to let you watch me finish this process, but however you decide to add color or not to your sculpture is okay. Just take a picture of the finished product and turn it in on canvas when you're done. Have fun, guys! Okay, so remember that it's okay if you don't have paint or oil pastels to add color to your sculpture. You can do it with a lot of different materials. I'm super excited to see what you made, so please remember to take a photo and upload it onto Canvas when you're all done.